Tell you, Kathy, when you were walking out, this old boy loves you. So, and no doubt in my mind. So it's awesome. Yeah. Like I said, we seem to. So you've asked to do a traditional commitment as well as your own vows. So shall we do the traditional commitment first? And so Steve, if you would just repeat after me. I, Steve, do promise to love, honor, and cherish you for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, 2012, isn't it? Yeah. In sickness and in health, from this day forward, as long as we both shall live. Kathy, repeat after me. I, Kathy, do promise to love, honor, and cherish you for better or for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, from this day forward, as long as we both shall live. And if you guys would recite your vows,
I'll go first. I don't have to write anything down. 28 years ago, God darn it.
Need a drink?
28 years ago, I stole a kiss from Kathy on New Year's Eve. And to this day, she didn't remember that kiss. Oh boy. But I remembered it. And throughout our lives, you know, in past relations, I always remembered you. I could not forget that kiss. And I always prayed one day that I would get that kiss again. And that you would one day be my bride. You know, I thought I cheated myself by not going after you sooner. And, you know, commencing on love a lot earlier, 28 years ago. But I think I've grown, even with past relationships, and I've learned to appreciate what a woman can be for me, and you're that woman. I've learned what I wanted and what I need. You're that woman. Now, through our past relationships, we've